What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lexus, and I am back again with Afsister hair. So today they sent me a pretty cool wig. You guys see that it is a kinky straight wig. It has Swiss lace, but it also comes with curly baby hair. So I've seen this look going around a little bit on TikTok. So the purpose of the curly baby hair is to make the edges look more natural, kind of give like the silk press type of look when it's completely finished. So starting off with my hair in two plaits and just kind of brushing everything back so that I can just slap the wig on my head. Right now this is the flattest foundation I have. So before we get into the actual install, I want you guys to take a look at this lace. Before laying any glue, spray, anything, you guys see that the lace is completely see-through. Like, it literally looks like my skin. This is real Swiss lace. If you ain't had it, you need to try it out. Alright, so I'm just cutting off the extra ear tabs so that we can get right into the install. So now I'm going to hot comb the baby hair back, and as you guys can see, it kind of gives like that natural silk press type of edges. Not super slick, but it is a little pressed. So I do like the fact that they do add the curly edges to the wig, because it just definitely gives it the more natural look. People might be questioning if it's really a wig or not. So if y'all know me, y'all know I hate lace glue, but I did buy this new lace glue from Erica J. It's her watermelon, I think, hold me down lace glue. So I'm gonna use that. I'm just putting a thin layer, super thin. I was starting off with section by section, but I decided to just go straight all the way down to each side, and then I'm going to thin out the glue with Okay, so you guys see that the glue kind of dried up itself. I didn't use any type of blow dryer or anything. So once it turned completely white, or for the most part white, I just rolled the lace down on top of the glue and then used my comb to basically push the lace into the glue so that it would stay. Pretty good hold, but I still just don't care for the stickiness of lace glue in particular. Okay, so now that the base is down, I'm going back in with a little bit of the lace glue just to fix up the little edges of the lace to make sure everything is locked in and laid. Alright, so after tying it down, I'm taking off the band, and I'm just going to use my razor to cut off the extra lace so that we can see where we need to continue to melt it to our forehead. Alright, so now I'm going in with my little spoolie thingy majig with some spritz on it, and I'm just dabbing the spritz on the edges of the lace where it's sticking up just a little bit more, so that we can lay it back down and it'll melt completely down. Now, while I'm waiting on it to melt, I'm going in with my Got2b, just spraying that so that I can lay the top of the wig super duper flat, and then I'm gonna follow up with my curling iron or flat iron curls. Super duper easy. You just put the hair through and just start turning, and you'll get like super bouncy, super beautiful curls. And I did this method all around my entire head. Okay, lace band off. Now I'm just going back in with some finishing touches with the hot comb. I'm gonna run my fingers through the curls and then also going with my shears and kind of give myself a little bit of layers around my face, surrounding my face, so that it just lays a little bit better. So the kinky straight definitely gives soap press after it's being pressed out, but I'm just going in with a little bit of hairspray and a little bit of foam, and just kind of like pulling down a little teensy bit of the edges that I recently pressed back, and just doing a little swoop. But it's gonna dry like super natural. It's not gonna look super silky or anything. So that's actually one of my favorite parts when it comes to the curly baby hairs. So overall, it was giving definitely a look. Shout out to Afsister for this beautiful two-colored kinky straight wig with the curly baby hairs. It's giving what it needs to give. Make sure you guys check the description box for all the information. Love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one.